Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to set up the face unlock. You need to at first open the settings. Here, scroll down till you see security and privacy. Open this tab. Here tap device unlock. And the first thing to set up your face unlock is to set normal screen lock. Tap it, and here you should choose one of these three. Pattern, which is medium security, and this just the pattern, like you need to write this L as I did, or your actually own. What do you know what I mean? You need to just create your own, something like this. Or you can enter the PIN code and password, which is alphanumeric. So once you do this, you can go to the face unlock option right here. Confirm your screen lock, and here tap setup. Remember to use good lighting during setup and use, and now tap setup. Here you need to align your face in this circle. Here, let me do this. And just, that's it. You need to just put your face in there and it will be scanned. You can here tap skip lock screen and lift to unlock. These two options can be set up, and here you can tap next and done. That's it. Goodbye.